Unlock the secret to style landing pages that convert. Discover how to create eye-catching designs with Canva in just a few simple steps. No design skills needed. Ready to boost your businesses? Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome back in this video where I will show you how you can create a landing page with Canva. So let's get started. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the home page. As you can see, you can just get started by sign up and write your email address and your password. Then you will find your account. So what is Canva? Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a variety of visual content, including social media graphics, presentations, posters, and landing pages. It offers a user-friendly interface with drag and drop features, a vast library of templates and design elements, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced designers. So also we have here other options like design spotlight, like documents, photos and videos, print, marketing. Then we have business here, Canva enterprise, Canva teams, contact sales. Then we have business solutions, use case, resources also. Then we have here education, teachers and schools, students, teaching resources, and then we have LMS integrations also, case studies, higher education. Then we have here other options like plans and pricing. We have the free one, we have the pro one, and we have teams, and we have also enterprise. And the last one we have learn here. If you want to learn Canva blog, design school, events, help center also. So after your inscription, you will find this page. So to create a landing page on Canva, start by selecting a landing page template for the options available. Customize it using the drag and drop editor to modify text, images, and colors. Add elements like buttons and forms for visitor interaction, and ensure you include a compelling call to action. Once you are happy with the design, download it or publish it directly to your website. With Canva, crafting an attractive landing page is quick and easy. So right now I will show you how you can do that. First of all, you have just to click over here, search your contact and canvas. I will search here, for example, Canva and templates. I will select it, then I will click over landing page. Once you do that, you will find a various landing page. You can select the one you want. So here we have it. We have there several examples. We have 20,000 templates. So I will select the niche that I want. For example, here we have business, social media, education, video, marketing, print products, cards, and invitation. Select the one you want, and then you select which niche you want. Then we have style. If you have modern, minimalist, simple, professional, corporate, and colorful also. Then we have theme like business, black, corporate. We have language, my language only if you want. Then we have here feature, animation, video, audio. We have grade, subject, topic. Then we have the price here. I will select free. Then I will click over apply, and here we have the free landing page. So we have here 10,000 templates. I will select the one. For example, I will select this one. Then I will click over customize template. Once you do that, you will find another page, which is this one with the page, and we have our settings here. So let's wait for it. So here we have, first of all, we have your design. If you don't like this landing page, you can add another one, or if you want to add other one, you click over here and do add a page, which is this one. So we have here templates, for example, recently used. Here we have all results. So you can see this is the landing page. Then we have your styles. So first of all, we have college, birthday, fall, pink, and blue, happy birthday. We have Instagram story, black story, white, reminder, fashion, Instagram post, and period, and we have wedding also. Then we have your styles. For example, create your brand style, look professional with set and forget brand colors and fonts. We have first of all recently used here. Then you have your styles also. About this one, we have here recently used like combination. We have color palettes, font sets, recent design styles, image palettes, and other things. Then we have your elements. About this one, we have shapes, graphics, stickers, EA image generator. We have photos, videos, audio, charts, tables, frames, grids. You can select the one you want. Then we have your text. You can add a text box. You click over here and you can add whatever you want. If you want to delete it, you click over here and you delete it. And if you want to come back, you click over here. Then if you want to add your brand fonts, you click over here and you add brand kit. We have also your default text styles, like add a hidden like that, add a subhidden, add a little bit or body text. We have recently used, like here we have your font combination. You choose the one you want. For example, I will choose this one. So as you can see, or this one. So this one is for, it's not for free. I'll select this one. As you can see, we have your pro. So this one is for, no, it's not for free, sorry. We have here also brand here, brand templates. We have brand kits. You can add logos, colors, fonts, brand files, photos, graphics, icons also. Then we have your uploads. You have your click over uploads if you want images, videos, audio also. Then you have your draw. You can write whatever you want here. If you wanna delete it, you click over here and you add this one. If you wanna come back, you click over here, and this is how it looks in the first. Then we have here for a zoom. If you erase like that, then we have also here thumbnail view, as you can see. Then we have grid view. Then we have here present full screen, as you can see. Then we have here ask Canva. About these options, we have here file first, create new design, import files, settings, accessibility, save, move to a folder, download also. Then we have resize here, like translate, transform in doc. Then we have editing, commenting, viewing. Then we have also here page down, minimalist, for example link, and also we have for an account, insights. Here we have current page, have something to say, select anything in the design to add a comment and start a conversation. Then if you want to share here. So Canva empowers you to create stunning landing pages effortlessly, blending creativity with functionality. By utilizing its intuitive tools and templates, you can design a page that not only looks great but also effectively engages your audience. Whether you are promoting a product or capturing leads, Canva makes it simple to transform your vision into reality. Start designing today and watch your conversion soar. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you in the next video.